Okay, let's look at number 1. Which has the cheaper unit price? A bag of 40 Reese's Cups for $6.99 or a package of 16 for $3.79? Recall, if you will, that to find the unit price, we're looking at the price per unit. So here's our first situation, and here's our second situation. So I'm just going to get my calculator and divide $6.99 by 40, and I get roughly, so that's about 17 cents per cup there. And then the $3.79 divided by 16 cups, that gives us about 24 cents per cup. So clearly, this is our cheaper, this one has a cheaper unit price. Number 2, ask a very similar problem. Why don't you pause the video and see how you do. Okay, first of all, let's make sure, let's make sure that we are comparing the same units. Notice on the first one they talked about 4 pounds, and the second one they talked about 24 ounces. So that's why, if you'll notice here, that I changed my 4 pounds to 64 ounces, or 16 ounces in a pound. Okay, so then $8.19 divided by 64 ounces gave me about 13 cents an ounce. And then over here, $3.49 divided by 24 ounces gave me about 15 cents per ounce. So clearly, this one is the cheapest situation. All right, so on the next one, they're asking us to substitute 18 plus 3y for x into the expression 15 minus x. So 15 minus, and they told me to substitute in the expression 18 plus 3y. So that means I'm going to need to distribute that minus sign. And I have 15 minus 18 minus 3y. So that gives me a negative 3 minus 3y. Number 4, substitute 3x minus 1 for y in the expression 2y minus 25. So we have 2 times something. We're going to substitute something in for y, minus 25. So we're going to substitute 3x minus 1 in for y. Let's distribute our 2. So it gives me 6x minus 2 minus 25. And that simplifies to 2x minus 27. All right, number 5, if y equals 14 minus x, rewrite the equation 5x minus 10y equals 85 with x as its only variable. Well, the only way that we'll be able to do that is everywhere there's a y, put that 14 minus x. So let's do that right now. All right, and so that becomes 5x minus 140. Negative 10 times negative x is plus 10x equals 85. Let's simplify the left side. I have 5x plus 10x gives me 15x minus 140 equals 85. And I think that's really all they wanted for us to do right now. Let me pause and make sure that that is the case. Yep, that's it. All right, number 6. For the unit price of Reese's Cups in a bag of 40, write an equation that describes how many of those Reese's Cups you could buy for $25. So remember, we said that they were about 17 cents a cup. Oops, forgot my 1 there. So 17 cents times, let's let C be cups, equals 25. That's a good equation for that. 7. A semi-private golf course has an initiation fee of $800, whoa, which allows players to play golf as much as they like, but they have to pay a $12 cart fee each time they want to play. So it looks like $800, that's your base fee, but if you're going to ride in a cart, it's $12 every time you rent that cart. And so it says write an equation that describes how many times a member could play for $1,100. Okay, that looks like that would work. Players can choose to walk the course, in which case they only have to pay a $2 fee that goes towards course maintenance each time that they play. Write a new equation describing the number of times a player could play in a riding cart or walking for $1,100. Okay, that's let's get our cart situation. Okay, and if they walked, that'll be 2 times W. Let's let W stand for walking, equals 1,100.